Hey peeps, welcome to the Crafty Witch UK. My name is Arietta, and today I just wanted to pop on and give you a little bit of information about the event that I'm going to be running in February 2025, which seems like a long way away, but is going to come along really quickly, particularly for those of us that want to order projects from overseas, because we need to factor in Chinese New Year and factories closing down. So where to start? The event is #OnceUponATime. It is an all crafts event, so it doesn't have to be diamond painting, but can be. I know a lot of people will be diamond painting, but could also be colouring, paint by numbers, pixel stickers, jigsaw puzzles, create your own art, write me a poem, whatever you want to do. I am super flexible when it comes to being creative. I want you to have fun. So the theme is obviously Once Upon a Time. So it is books, libraries, bookshops, all things book related. Additionally, characters from books, scenes from books. Think princes, princesses, castles, unicorns, dragons. If it's been in a fairy tale, it's all good. I, again, am super open to your interpretation of this. And if you want to come and tell me why your canvas of a chicken sandwich is relevant, then that is completely fine. I would love to hear your stories. Do let me know. Particularly, drop me a comment down below. Let me know what it is you're planning to do, and if it's something really obscure, I want to know why. So I would like to hear about it. The event I will run, obviously it will run through the month of February, which is a short month. So do think about that and factor that in when you're choosing your projects. You do not have to finish, and it does not have to be a fresh start, but I know how it feels when you've got things hanging over you and unfinished. So if you would rather work on a smaller project, that is completely fine. I will be doing a kitting up video on the 29th of January, kitting up my own project. And then the 5th of February will be the first live prize drawing. And then every Wednesday after that in my lives, which are 8 p.m. every Wednesday. That's UK time. So what am I going to be working on? I am going to be working on Bookworm Fairy from Bella Art Diamonds. I will pop a link to my original unboxing, but she is gorgeous and I cannot wait to get started. They also have another canvas that would be just as good, which is called the Library Fairy, and I have ordered that one as well. So when that arrives, I'll do another unboxing and we can chat through that. But I think that's going to have to wait until next year for me to do that one. But luckily for me, I already have an event booked in for 2026, which is book themed. So that is a whole nother thing. But yes, we're getting very organised and we're looking at events for 2026 already. We have got some wonderful sponsors for this event, and I am so grateful to every single one of them. We have got, I'll start with Bella Art Diamonds. They have been wonderful and have sponsored us. They have given us a $10 gift card. We have then got P.A.M Diamond Paints, who has kindly gifted us 2 $20 vouchers. Fallon Gems, who I've recently done an unboxing and a completion from, $25 voucher. Pixyls, who you may remember recently I did the little stickers from, that are kind of the pixel art, somewhere between diamond painting and paint by numbers. Really lovely. They have a kit called Books Sweet Books, and it will be absolutely perfect. I highly recommend, if you're looking for something a bit different to work on for the event, go see if they've got any of it left in stock right now. But that is what they are gifting one of the winners, so they will get their own Pixyls kit. Where have we got to? Nix's Notions, the lovely Nix of Nix Dark Sky, is doing us some custom event trays. I'm very excited about that. We have got Crafting Cat UK is creating for us a book library, musty bookshop kind of scented putty for your diamond painting pens. So that will be soon available. Who have I missed? BeeBeeCraft. Lots of people will have seen me unbox things from BeeBeeCraft. They have a range of different crafty things. It's like a treasure trove going on their website, and I highly recommend you have a look. They have been kind enough to give me a little budget and let me go and shop for some prizes. So I have purchased some items from there, and those are going to go into my crafty goodie boxes. So there will be 5 crafty goodie boxes given away, 1 each week. They will have in them a mixture of crafty goodies provided by me and crafty goodies provided by BeeBeeCraft. And finally, the one with the diamond art have kindly gifted me a £30 voucher for a winner. And in addition to that, they've been incredibly generous and have created a discount code for us that will give all participants 15% off. And that is Once Upon a Time. All caps, Once Upon a Time will get you 15% discount. And they did, again, remind me that all the factories are closing down for the Chinese New Year. So to get in super quick if you want to purchase and have things arrive in time for the event starting in February. I think that is probably all the information I need to bombard you with right now. If you've got any questions, do leave them down below or drop me an email. The way that we worked it last year was people commented in my Facebook group to tell me that they were taking part. I will leave links to all of that down below so that you can do it that way. If you don't have Facebook and you wanted to drop me an email, that is completely fine. Make sure you put hashtag Once Upon a Time in the subject line so that I know that it's related to the event and it doesn't get lost in a slew of other things. In the meantime, I hope that everybody has a wonderful new year and is also prepping for the events in January. Do remember that our friend and colleague Roxy is hosting her very first event alongside Diamond Grandma in January, and that is the Big Butts event. So do pop over to her channel. She has a video all about that where you can check that out. In fact, I'll link it, and then you can go and find out what January events you can take part in. I'm going to leave this here. Thank you so much to everybody for all the support this year. I'm going to keep saying it until the new year because I'm incredibly grateful. Thank you to those of you that support the channel as channel members and over on Patreon. If you want to join them, links are down below. It is just 99p and I'll send you some stickers. So with that being said, have a wonderful, wonderful new year. And until then, stay crafty.